Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Affiliate Marketing Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GroovePages or GrooveFunnels for your affiliate marketing for free. Okay, as you know, like the GroovePage is a software like the ClickFunnels, Cartha, or Leadpage. For other software, you can create your website or your marketing funnel. So if you're starting your affiliate marketing, like a business or your online marketing, so you need a website or you need to create your funnels. But if you look at other softwares, so it is the monthly fee like they're around to $97 or $99, so you have to pay to start working with them. But the GroovePage is a great software that at the moment it's as you see, is in top, it's $99 for like the basic one. So at the moment give you for free access. It means when you sign up now, so you get a free lifetime access. So GroovePage and GrooveSales. So you can build your, if you therefore you can build your website or funnels for free. Probably ask it how it's possible. Okay, the first thing for sign up, you can get this account. You is 100% free, and you don't need a credit card or no fees ever. So when you sign up for the basic interest here, so there's a 2 level. One for like the free account, you get it. There is some limit. But at premium one, at the moment, I think is $497, but for lifetime include everything, anything you want, unlimited everything. But for basic entry one at the moment is you need for starting your business is you don't need a credit card, anything, or if you need check it out the software. So before the signing up, most of the people they want. So in the first you want sign up, a little bit browse or check it out the software. If you like it, then later you can upgrade it, go for premium. But even look at in the basic one, what you get it for free. So you can unlimited products. So you can for free build your website. So easily you can create your website or your funnels. So you have a limit, I think it's 3. So you can create your 3 website, your funnels, what I think it's about many pages as you want. So you can bring your domain, like a custom domain. Also, some feature you can, this is hosting, you get it. Some other features, so you can just check it out. But some of them is not available in a free version, like the basic one. So how you sign up. So as you said, if you want to check it out, how is it? So just quickly, you come in the bottom here. I should be somewhere for sign up. We missed it. Oh, okay. So just get it started here. You can click it and sign up. Is you need just your name and email address and nothing else. Okay, and you get a free account for life, so you don't need to pay anything. So to Groove. All right. So first step. So after that, when you create your free account, so you go to your account like this in here. So what you can get it. All right, so this software, so there's a features. If you want to look at just in here, look at, you can my accounts, go check your account, like to update all the info and Groove partner. So all right, let's dive in for first what you have in here. Some of the feature, as I said, is limited for the free. You get a lifetime. When you get this sign up for the software, you get a lifetime access for free. This is the first one. So let's make it clear. So in this free one, you can create up to 3 websites and many pages. And third benefit you get it, you can bring your custom domain for free. And also you can join to their affiliate program for free too. Okay, if you look at in the main page, you get up to 40% affiliate program here. So you can just click here, join what's happening. But I'll show you in a moment. I'll show you how it works. And you get a few features like the academy. You can check it out in here or in left side. You see the Groove pages are coming here. So at the moment in your free version, so you Groove pages, so you can create the funnels in here, Groove sales and Groove affiliate. So is it valid? And some of the features in here, like the Groove blog, desk, calendar, photo responder, at the moment is not like they completed, is coming soon. Like for instance, if you come to like the Groove calendar, I'm not sure is available or not. Some of them is updating. You see the Groove calendar, okay, is coming later this year, maybe another few months time getting ready, but at the moment is not ready. Okay, other services, as I said. So another thing is here is about the Groove Digital or Groove Academy or tutorial. If you need anything else, like they click it here. So in here you can get Groove tutorials. So a lot of video if you want, like the training videos, or go more video library, search it. You can find it in here, also in Google Digital Academy. There is lots of training. You can find it in here. So you can join, getting like the webinar, you get the articles, anything you need, you can get it in here. Okay, but another part I'm going to show you, it is about the affiliate. I know most of you trying to find a good platform or software as for your affiliate marketing. So you can, when you join to this, like the free version of this software anyway, so you can join to affiliate marketing for free already. So you don't need to pay anything. So you go to in top in here, so Groove affiliate programs. Okay, you get a 40% commission in here. You can read it. So watch the video, how the system works. Our program is free to join, and you get Groove Sell and GroovePage Live is free, is live one. Okay, and then you get all the material for your affiliate marketing in here. You get all your links. Okay, and all the material you need, you get in here. Right. You get the links, you get a stat, you get a save file for emails, everything you need. So it's provided to you. So it's great, like the way to make up to 40% commission for your marketing. And then, okay, so this is like the affiliate program. And next one I want to show you, so it is GroovePage. You can create your website for free. Just click to this one. And so you are able to create, I think, up to 3 websites in here and many pages. So you see at the moment I use one sample. This is like my dummy, like the icon for the training, like the group. So I created one, and if you want to create another one, just easy to press the new and use one of the template if you want, or just use a blank, or I create like, I don't know, this one, select. Okay, so it sometimes take a little longer. So you see, then you select one of the template. So you can use this one or update it a little bit if you want. So easy, it's not very hard. If you want to just click to each part, you see it's easy. You can change it like if you work with ClickFunnels other software, easy. You can edit the text, edit the title, edit any section, just click it. And then you can just change it, delete it, whatever you want to do, or change the logo. It's not very hard, so you can do it. Or if you want to add a more page, this is one page, add a more page, you can create one more page, like a blank, or more page, you see, you get a more page. Easy to create all your pages you want, as many pages as you want. Okay, this is like the 3 pages. When you're done, exit. And you can create the pop-ups. It's very straightforward and easy, and then you can publish it. In the publish here, if you look at here, you can bring your domain in here, so you can publish with your own domain with your like the kata here. So you can set it up in here and then publish your website in here. Okay, so the next part is how to upgrade it. So okay, this is first part. You join the program, a little bit play with that. So if you like it, so and maybe you like the features, or you can just create your website. So and then another option is here, so it's for your upgrade. If you like it, you can upgrade it here. Just click to here, upgrade. I think it's at the moment is $4.97. So watch the video anyway. You can watch the video. At the moment, I think it's $4.97 for lifetime. So when you pay $4.97, so for life, this software is for free for you. And other features, you see other feature I'm mentioning here, is not available now. All the future unlimited access will be included. So you pay nothing after $4.97. So you can watch this video. And this is like a base one at the moment you have, and you get a platinum at the moment. You're gonna put the price on later, but at the moment it's for free now. But this one, okay. So if you haven't joined, so just go. I'll put the link below for like the Groove page. Go sign up and check it out. So you get a benefit. It's you can build your website or funnels for free up to 3. So you can have your custom domain, and so it's a great software. So I hope that you like this video. And if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to notify from future videos I'm trying. Just subscribe and hit the bell, and don't miss my future video. Thank you very much, and thank you for your time. And hopefully you enjoyed, and see you on next video.